of thoughts. You must have gone so far away. What else should I've done to make you stay?
It was time, it's the perfect summer night. And those three words are spelled out in your eyes. Before I go on, say something wrong. I just hope and buy my own. Cause you've been told too many times before. Yeah, you've been told so many times before. So I'm gonna try with something new. Another guy looking for the perfect lover, the kind of love you only see in a novel. I wasn't waiting for some shiny unicorn. I've nothing, I've her running and you don't, but all of a sudden you're the hero of my story. I celebrate the love and always do me glory. I still remember the way this whole different started. I was walking down the city, feeling down and broken hearted. Then I guess sorrows lead to a room, a full front collision on my way home. I cut a corner, down we hit and crash. The crash has been the first and hasn't been the last, 'cause it's a different kind of love from any other old school dating is the boat. We are explorers, it's a different kind of love, and everyone is looking like we do. People just escape from the moon. Sometimes I feel that you are from another planet. The way you attract these more disasters like a magnet. And I don't know if you are from outer space, but I can tell you, girl, I'm enjoying the race.
Just called to say hello. Such a wonderful night for a walk in the park by moonlight. And I just wanna say, you know, the time is right. Don't you think that the time is right? Tonight, tonight, tonight. I know the time is right. Tonight, tonight, tonight. Tonight.
We can take it very slow,
Very slow.
with the counting the stars that dot the dark of a night sky.
The night sky.
Sipping red wine on the show. The time is right, don't you feel the time is right? Tonight, tonight, tonight,
Tonight the time is
tonight, tonight, tonight,
tonight.
tonight, 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 oh, tonight. I just called to say hello.
Hello.
Such a wonderful night for a walk in the park by moonlight.
Moonlight.
And I just wanna say, you know, the time is right. Don't you feel that the time is right? Tonight, tonight, tonight.
I know the time is right.
Tonight.
Tonight. Don't you feel the time?